In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a live or demo account in Tradingview. We'll start with a safe, no-risk option, the built-in paper trading account. First, sign in to your Tradingview account on the website. Once you are in, head to the top menu and open the Products tab, then choose either Superchart or Chart. Both take you to the main charting interface where you'll place practice or live trades. At the bottom of that chart screen, look for the Trading panel. This panel is where all broker connections live, and it's your hub for switching between demo and live trading. From there, find Paper Trading by Tradingview and click Connect. Tradingview will link a virtual account to your chart so you can practice order entries, stops, targets, and strategy execution without risking real money. After connecting, configure your practice account to match the conditions you want to simulate. Set the initial virtual balance, adjust leverage if you trade instruments that use it, and define commission or fee settings. These options help your results feel realistic, and they'll affect how your profit and loss is calculated on each trade. You can always revisit these settings to fine-tune your environment or reset your balance if you want a fresh start. Use this space to rehearse your workflow, test different order types, and build confidence before moving on to a live account. When you are ready to connect a live trading account, stay on the same trading panel at the bottom of the chart. You'll see a list of supported brokers. Select your broker from that list to begin the connection. Tradingview will open a secure login window for your brokerage. Enter your brokerage credentials to authorize the link and complete the connection. Once connected, your live account balances and positions will appear in the panel, and any orders you place through the Tradingview interface will route to your broker for real execution. Take a moment to confirm the correct account is selected. Double-check order sizes, and be mindful that changes and fills now affect real funds. That's the full workflow. Thanks for watching.